Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, update mobile legends, and make sure the Magic Core feature is enabled in your account. Next, pick a hero that benefits from Magic Core effects, typically mages or hybrid supports, because the system scales ability, power, and utility. Once done, allocate the required battle points or fragments to unlock the core slot. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to verify core levels and available templates so you can apply enhancements immediately during your next match. You now configure the core layers. Choose between passive, active, and augment modules depending on your playstyle. For burst mages, prioritize ability power and cooldown reduction modules. For utility heroes, emphasize shields or movement modifiers. Once modules are chosen, slot them into the core template and commit the changes. This binds them to your hero loadout. Make sure to level up cores with fragments to increase effect strength. Leveling from 1 to 5 often makes the biggest difference in mid-game power spikes. You finish by using core abilities in Match with Intention. Trigger active modules during team fights or key skirmishes, and rely on passives to augment trades and objectives. Once in-game, monitor the HUD for cooldowns and core level feedback, and make sure your item build complements core effects. If the core underperforms or displays errors, restart the client and reapply the core template. If problems persist, capture a short clip and reach out to support. One troubleshooting tip: resync your account after updates to clear mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.